Microsoft is revolutionizing productivity with its new Vibe working features in Excel and Word, bringing AI-driven automation to the heart of document creation. This isn't just another AI tool. It's a game changer that transforms how users build spreadsheets, reports, and presentations. But here's where it gets controversial. While some call it a leap forward, others question whether these tools truly replace human expertise or just automate parts of the process. Vibe coding, a concept already making waves in tech circles. https://theverge.com/AI artificial intelligence 767973 Vibe coding AI future end evolution. Lets novices create apps with simple prompts. Now, Microsoft is taking this idea further by introducing agent mode in Excel and Word, which can generate complex spreadsheets and documents based on user input. Meanwhile, a new Office agent in Copilot chat, powered by Anthropic models, is set to create PowerPoint decks and Word files from a chat prompt, turning the act of building presentations into a conversational experience. Sumit Chauhan, Corporate Vice President of Microsoft's Office Product Group, explains, in the same way Vibe coding has transformed software development, the latest reasoning models in Copilot unlock agentic productivity for Office artifacts. This means users can now tackle tasks like creating monthly reports or drafting business proposals with minimal effort. For example, Copilot could summarize data from previous months, highlight key trends, and suggest refinements, all in real time, as if a seasoned consultant were guiding the process. Agent mode works by breaking down complex tasks into step-by-step actions, using OpenAI's GPT-5 model to execute them. Think of it as watching an automated macro in action, with a live preview of each step in the sidebar. This feature is especially useful for non-experts, as it turns intricate Excel functions into manageable, board-ready outputs. It's work that a first-year consultant would do, delivered in minutes, Chauhan notes. But not all progress is smooth. Microsoft's agent mode in Excel achieves a 57.2% accuracy rate in Spreadsheet Bench, a benchmark that outperforms competitors like Shortcut.ai and Claude Files Opus 4.1. Yet it still lags behind human accuracy at 71.3%. This raises an important question. Does AI truly replace human judgment, or does it merely streamline the process? The Office agent, available via Copilot chat, takes this a step further by creating fully structured PowerPoint decks. Unlike traditional AI tools, it performs web-based research and provides live slide previews, ensuring presentations are both informative and visually engaging. PowerPoint is one of the most used tools for creating presentations. But over the last 2 years, AI has often fallen short when creating slides, Chauhan says. Office Agent changes that. Microsoft's decision to integrate Anthropic models into Copilot chat reflects its broader strategy of exploring diverse AI capabilities. While OpenAI remains a key partner, the company is now testing Anthropic's models to determine how they can enhance products like Word and Excel. We're looking at the entire family of models wherever cutting-edge work happens, Chauhan adds. This approach underscores Microsoft's commitment to innovation, even as it navigates the ethical and practical challenges of AI integration. For now, these features are available to Microsoft 365 Copilot customers and personal family subscribers through the Frontier program. Excel and Word's agent mode is limited to web versions at launch, with desktop support coming soon. Meanwhile, Office Agent is also accessible today, marking a significant step toward AI-powered productivity. So, what do you think? Is this the future of Office tools? Or does it risk oversimplifying complex tasks? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because the conversation is just beginning.